Hi, today I'm getting fancy with the feedback. Everyone's getting their own personalized video. Looking at yours really fast, it looks like you totally understand how to do this. You have the name there, which is great. If you want to delete these boxes at any point, you can, because I know they're sort of annoying. You have the correct code, the service units, you're good. The total charge is in the correct place. You have Medicare, you have the correct code here. You do have page-wise. This is amazing. Not many people did. This is the correct number. The Z, ooh, you're good. This one is very, very good. Okay, let's move to your next one. Let me close this. Who do we have here? Shauna Kerner. Okay. This one is a group health plan. You have the correct there, the correct number here, same as patient. You have Jeff is here, perfect. There's good. Aetna, perfect. No, perfect. Ooh, you're doing really good. Student health insurance file, signature on file. Okay, the code is actually very good. Good for you. You got the right code. You have there is good. The place of service is good. This is almost too good. It's making me worry. You don't really have to worry about, we're just doing the billing right now. I know it has the amount paid there, but that's sort of a trick. We're just worried about the bill. We're not collecting any payments, so I'm not worried about that. You do have the correct doctor. Okay, how are you so good at these? Let's see. The next one, Paula Short. Okay, TRICARE is correct. That is correct. Okay, Paula Short, John doesn't come into play until over here in number, what is it, number 9? No, 6? The other insured's name, that is number 9, I'm sorry, I need glasses on. But John comes down here, John should be listed here. This is all same, this is Paula Short, same as patient, TRICARE plan, which is fine. So just remember John goes over here. No. Okay, you do have the correct, oh, make sure you put the date up in here. I'm using the date right there. We have that. That points over to E. You have that one, A. Oh, you were so close with the place of service. It's 99203. That's okay. Charges, yes. You did an excellent job on it. Congratulations.